Did you know that ginger, a common spice in your kitchen, is loaded with nutrients and bioactive compounds that have powerful benefits for your body and brain? That's right! This humble root, with its unique aroma and flavor, has been a staple in traditional medicine for thousands of years. From ancient China and India to Greece and Rome, the healing power of ginger has been revered across cultures and continents. And it's not just about soothing a sore throat or calming an upset stomach. Oh no, the benefits of ginger go far beyond these common uses. We're talking anti-inflammatory effects, boosted brain function, improved digestion, and even protection against heart disease. Intrigued yet? Just imagine all these potential health benefits packed into that little piece of ginger you put in your tea or soup. Stay tuned to discover the incredible effects of consuming ginger every day. One of the most well-known benefits of ginger is its ability to aid digestion. This spice's medicinal properties have been lauded for centuries, with digestive health being a prominent focus. It's not just an old wives' tale. Modern science backs up these claims, showing how ginger can help keep our digestive systems running smoothly. Let's begin with how ginger can help speed up the emptying of the stomach. Have you ever experienced that uncomfortable feeling of fullness after a meal, like your food is just sitting there? Well, ginger to the rescue. A study published in the European Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology found that individuals who consumed ginger experienced a 20% increase in the speed of gastric emptying. This means food moves through the stomach more quickly, reducing the likelihood of indigestion and discomfort. But the benefits of ginger go beyond helping with that full feeling. It's also a potent weapon against nausea. From travel sickness to the morning sickness that plagues many expectant mothers, ginger can provide much-needed relief. A review of 12 studies, totaling over 1,200 pregnant women, showed that ginger significantly reduced feelings of nausea. What's more, unlike many anti-nausea medications, ginger has minimal side effects, making it a natural and safe choice. For those suffering from chronic digestive issues, ginger can be a game-changer. For instance, people with dyspepsia, a condition characterized by chronic indigestion, often have delayed gastric emptying. Here again, ginger's ability to speed up this process can provide significant relief. So whether you're dealing with an upset stomach after a large meal, battling motion sickness on your next road trip, or seeking relief from more chronic digestive issues, ginger can be a powerful ally. Its natural compounds work with your body to promote a healthier, more comfortable digestive process. But that's not all. Ginger has even more benefits for your health. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the fascinating world of ginger and its numerous health benefits. From fighting inflammation to boosting brain function, this humble root is a powerhouse of wellness. Chronic inflammation can be harmful, but ginger can be part of the solution. Now let's delve into the science behind ginger's anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation, while a natural and necessary part of our body's response to injury or infection, can become problematic when it becomes chronic. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health conditions, including heart disease, cancer, and osteoarthritis. But here's where the magic of ginger comes into play. Ginger contains compounds known as gingerols and shogales. These compounds have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. They work by inhibiting the production of chemicals that trigger inflammation in our body. Now let's talk about a specific condition where ginger's anti-inflammatory properties have proven beneficial: osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is a degenerative joint condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It's characterized by the breakdown of cartilage in joints, leading to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. Several scientific studies have shed light on how ginger can help with this condition. One such study found that individuals with osteoarthritis of the knee who consumed ginger experienced less pain and required fewer pain medications. Another study demonstrated that a combination of ginger, mastic, cinnamon, and sesame oil can reduce pain and stiffness in osteoarthritis patients when applied topically. It's worth noting, however, that while these studies show promising results, more research is needed to fully understand the extent of ginger's anti-inflammatory effects and how it can be best utilized in treating conditions like osteoarthritis. So, the next time you're cooking, why not add a dash of ginger? Not only will it add a kick to your meal, but it could also help keep inflammation at bay. Remember, it's always best to incorporate ginger into a balanced diet and not rely on it solely for its health benefits. And as with any dietary change, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before adding large amounts of ginger to your diet, especially if you're on any medication. And the benefits of ginger don't stop at inflammation. Stay tuned as we explore more about this wonder spice in the next scenes. Ginger isn't just good for your stomach and joints, it can also benefit your heart. Now, isn't that a heartening thought? Let's explore this a bit further, shall we? Ginger is an ancient root with a rich history in traditional medicine, particularly in promoting heart health. But what does modern science have to say about it? It turns out that ginger has some impressive cardiovascular benefits, and it all starts with blood sugar levels. High blood sugar can damage the arteries over time, leading to heart disease. Research indicates that consuming ginger can lower blood sugar levels, helping to protect your heart. In a study involving participants with type 2 diabetes, individuals who consumed 3 grams of ginger powder per day experienced a significant reduction in their blood sugar levels. But that's not all. Ginger can also help combat other risk factors associated with heart disease. Ever heard of LDL cholesterol? Often referred to as the bad cholesterol, high levels of LDL can lead to the buildup of plaque in your arteries, increasing your risk of heart disease. Now here's where ginger comes into play. Studies have shown that ginger can lead to significant reductions in LDL cholesterol. In one study, individuals who took 3 grams of ginger powder daily experienced a 10% reduction in LDL cholesterol in just 45 days. Another heart disease risk factor ginger can help tackle is high blood triglyceride levels. Triglycerides are a type of fat found in your blood. When you eat, your body converts any calories it doesn't need to use right away into triglycerides. High levels of this fat can lead to coronary artery disease. Research shows that consuming ginger can help lower these levels, further bolstering the health of your heart. So, there you have it. From lowering blood sugar and LDL cholesterol to reducing blood triglyceride levels, ginger can indeed be a heart's best friend. It's not just a tasty spice to add to your meals, but also a potent ally in your journey to heart health. So, ginger can help your heart, but what about your brain? Emerging research suggests that the antioxidants and bioactive compounds in ginger can inhibit inflammatory responses that occur in the brain. These findings paint an interesting picture of how this common spice can help us maintain a healthy brain. Ginger is brimming with antioxidants. These are compounds that fight off free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage our cells, including those in our brain. This damage, known as oxidative stress, has been linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. By neutralizing free radicals, the antioxidants in ginger can help protect our brain cells from this damage. But that's not all. Ginger also contains bioactive compounds that can inhibit inflammatory responses in the brain. You see, chronic inflammation can lead to cognitive decline and even neurodegenerative diseases. The bioactive compound 6-shogale found in ginger has been shown to inhibit the release of certain inflammatory chemicals in the brain. Let's delve a bit deeper into the science. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that ginger extract improved memory in middle-aged women. Another study in the Journal of Neurochemistry found that the bioactive compounds in ginger protected against brain damage in rats. These studies suggest that ginger can improve brain function and protect against age-related decline in brain function. And while more research is needed to fully understand the effects of ginger on our brain health, these initial findings are promising. So we know that ginger has the potential to boost our brain function and protect our brain from damage. But it's not just about consuming ginger. It's about making it a regular part of our diet. And no, that doesn't mean you have to start munching on raw ginger. There are plenty of delicious ways to incorporate ginger into your meals, from ginger tea to ginger-infused dishes. There's no doubt that ginger is a superfood, but how can you incorporate it into your diet? Stay tuned as we explore ways to make ginger a tasty and beneficial part of your daily meals. Adding ginger to your diet is easy and delicious. Let's explore some simple yet delightful ways to do this. Imagine starting your day with a warm cup of ginger tea, brewed with freshly grated ginger, honey, and a squeeze of lemon. This invigorating beverage not only wakes you up, but also kickstarts your digestion. For lunch, why not add a dash of ground ginger to your soup or salad dressing? It gives a unique flavor profile that's both spicy and sweet. And for those with a sweet tooth, ginger-infused smoothies or gingerbread cookies could be your new favorite treat. But remember, while ginger is a natural powerhouse, it's not for everyone. If you're pregnant, nursing, or have certain medical conditions, it's best to consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. So there you have it, the incredible benefits of ginger, and how you can incorporate it into your everyday life. We hope you've enjoyed our deep dive into the health benefits of ginger. If you found this information useful, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps us a lot. We encourage you to share this video with your friends and family. Spread the knowledge and let them know about the power of ginger too. If you're interested in more health and wellness content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this journey to better health. We'd also love to hear from you. Do you have any experience with ginger, any favorite ginger recipes? Please share your thoughts or questions about ginger in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay informed, and remember, your health is your wealth.